There's a word I like to say. It's been made, but few people do it. From the dust to present day, the word holds life, but few people knew it. It's been misspelled, but not expelled. It's L-O-V, love. I'm so happy, oh so happy. I'm so happy, oh so happy. Love is peace, love is joy, love is kind and isn't possessive. Love is truth, love is light, love won't try to be impressive. Now I got love